大家好，最近很多用户买了我们这款机器，回去后不会安装和使用，现在就让我们一起学习一下。第一步，安装显微镜，先把显微镜放置水平，然后用 M3内六角把4个几米螺丝将显微镜安装固定好。第二步，安装电源线，将3芯电源线航空头插到机器后面的电源插口，然后再把2芯的脚踏开关接好并拧紧。第三步，准备加水，将 M10的水管一端放入先准备好的水桶里，然后把进水口的堵塞拔下来，将水管另一端插进去。这里要注意，要用纯净水，千万不要用自来水。第四步，机器上电，将电源线3插插头插入到能够承受3000瓦功率、220伏电源插座上，打开钥匙开关，机器就上电了。第5步，水箱加水，按下机器背后抽水按钮，定亮绿灯，开始自动加水，一直到按钮绿灯熄灭，抽水自动停止，拔下水管，插上堵塞。第6步，开机光，点击触屏开机按钮，系统进入开机状态。1分钟后，系统提示开机成功，系统已就绪，准备出激光。第7步，测试出激光，找一块平整钢片，水平放到激光头下面的小工作台上，调节好焦点，距离为80毫米。CCD 图像显示最清晰时就是焦点了。踩一下脚踏开关，有激光发光，激光测试成功。第8步，关激光，点击触屏关机键，然后再点确定键，过20秒后关钥匙开关，关闭机器。喜欢这个视频的话，就帮我点个赞，谢谢大家。
How to order at AliExpress. Ordering on AliExpress is a straightforward process. So let's get straight into the video. Launch open your AliExpress application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage of AliExpress, you can search for the product with the help of the search box at the top. You can also browse through the product's categories displayed on the screen. Now, scroll through the product and find the one that you'd like to purchase. Tap on the product to purchase it. And then this will show you other information about the product. You can select the size, colors, and the design. To order the product right away, tap on the Buy Now button at the bottom right-hand corner. Select the size for your product. And then you can also increase or decrease the quantity according to your need. Finally, tap the Continue button at the bottom. And then on the next page, fill in your shipping address and other information. On this page, it'll show you the order details and the summary for the product. You can enter a promo code if available, and you'll also need to enter your payment details. Tap on Select Payment Method from the option and choose your desired payments method. You can select PayPal, add a new credit or debit card, select Apple Pay for your purchase, or simply pay for the product after delivery. Select one of the options as a payment method. In my case, I'm going to choose the add a new card option. Go ahead and pick one of the options. You can then scan your card with the help of the scanner button, or manually enter your card number in the text box. Enter your card details, your name, your card's expiry date, and the CVV code for the card. If you want to save this card detail, you can toggle on the button where it says Save Card Details, and finally tap on Save and Confirm at the bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to place order and finalize your product. After successfully placing your order, you'll receive an order confirmation with a tracking number. You can use the number to track the status of your shipment. Depending upon the shipping method and your location, all you need to do now is to wait for the order to be delivered. So that is how you can easily place an order on AliExpress. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.